Good morning, friends. Let's go with nesting of the while loop, do while loop. Try to write down code accordingly. Last time we have seen the single do while loop. Now it's time for go for nesting of the do while loop. So possibly let's add one code, take some another variable. This is expression 1 for your second loop. Then let's write do while here. What possibility you are looking for? Write the same. And what you want to print? Any of the things you are looking to print, you can print here. Maybe I, maybe J. It's up to you. Let's print I, and then your increment operator. That is your expression 2. And here is your expression 2 is this one. Your increment operator is expression 3. Let's save the program. Check the output. Depends what kind of output we are able to see. Go to the folder where your program is available. Do while for compilation, Java compilation, and for output write do while, Java do while. You can see it's going in kind of in single row, and you want to break it properly. So what will you do? Add one print ln line, not print anything here right now. Let's see what is the change. Need to compile again. In this fashion, nesting will allow. This is the output which you have printed by I. Let's try J. Save the program. Again compile. Will go. So that is the difference. You can see some pattern kind of things are available here. So when you are doing such kind of nesting, you can add those things here. So possibly when you write the program, you will see that in this fashion your all content will be solved. So here your end of the class, you will say end of the main method is commented. So while compiling it, we go with that fraction. Okay. Save those things. You can check from the above point how it is written. So that is your first expression related loop. You can see we have given the tab at each and every place wherever required. So on that base, those things will work properly. Okay. And in that fashion, you will see. Now let's check and see the output. You can have your output here. You will see. Fine. So in this way, you can try nesting of the do while loop. Thank you very much. Keep watching this, so you will gain the knowledge. And you can work with different patterns at your will with for loop, while loop, do while. Thank you very much. Have a nice one.